Hello everyone. In this lecture we'll see a problem on homogeneous differential equation. A problem is solve 4d raised to 4 minus 8d cube minus 7d square plus 11d plus 6 of y equal to 0. Solution. The above equation is 4d raised to 4 minus 8d cube minus 7d square plus 11d plus 6 of y equal to 0. So this equation is already in a standard form. So therefore the auxiliary equation is 4 m raised to 4 minus 8 m cube minus 7 m square plus 11 m plus 6 equal to 0. So therefore if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so odd number of terms. So again we'll go for the means to get a root, so we cannot go in the calculator, better we'll use the synthetic division method, reduce for the cubic equation, then we can go for the calculator now. So let's see the synthetic division method. So now by synthetic division method, so coefficient of m raised to 4 is 4, m cube is minus 8, m square is minus 7, coefficient m is 11 and the constant is 6. So we need to see that, so which number will satisfy this above equation. So let's see that one now. So above equation in terms of m it is, so we'll write it in terms of x here. So 4 alpha x raised to 4 minus 8 times alpha x cube, then minus 7 times alpha x square plus 11 alpha x plus 6. Go for calc option. So we'll check with 1. So answer is coming 6. So this will not satisfying the above equation. Then go for calc option. Check with minus 1. Yeah, with minus 1 it is satisfying, means it is coming 0. So I will take that minus sign here. So minus 1 means this is the first root. Now so here we will have to write 0 directly. So 4 plus 0 is 4. So 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Then you can see that minus 8 minus 4 will be minus 12. So minus 12 into this minus 1 is nothing but plus 12. So minus 7 plus 12 will be 5. So 5 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 5. So 11 minus 5 is 6. So 6 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 6. So plus 6 and minus 6 will be 0. So therefore m is equal to minus 1. This is the one root, and this biquadratic equation, that is order 4, is converted into order 3. So therefore this will be 4m cube minus 12m square plus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. So this is our equation in terms of cubic. So we'll get the roots for this by using the calculator now. The mode, then equation, then option 4 cubic, then coefficient of m cube is 4. Next coefficient of m square is minus 12. Then coefficient of m is 5 and the constant is 6. Then see the first root here. So first root it's coming minus 1 by 2. So m first root is minus 1 by 2. Then equal to sign, it is 2. Then you can see third root as 3 by 2. So these are the roots. Let's see the solution now. So therefore the roots of auxiliary equation are m equal to, so I will write in order, that is minus 1 I will take, then minus 1 by 2 I will take, 2 and next 3 by 2. You can take anyhow, so it's left to you. You just see that you have to write a complementary function. So therefore the complementary function is c1 e raised to minus x plus c2 e raised to minus 1 by 2 into x plus c3 into e raised to 2x plus c4 into e raised to 3 by 2x. So the general solution is y is equal to yc. So therefore, which implies y is equal to yc is c1 e raised to minus x plus c2 e raised to minus x by 2 plus c3 e raised to 2x plus c4 e raised to 3x upon 2. So this is a required general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation.